So video number 2, I've got I'm cleaning out this Curtis Mathis unit. I got the back plate off. There's actually 2 back plates. This narrow one that was kind of a cross brace across here, across the tubes and whatnot. Anyway, I was cleaning this out and I noticed this. This gives you some idea of the authenticity. It's a model 3216B, as in Bravo or whatever, a walnut finish, 180 watts, 117 volts. Sure hope that's 60 cycles. Yeah, Curtis Mathis company. They didn't mark it where it was made, which one it was made from. You know, which one of the plants that they had. They had one in Athens. I don't know if that's Athens, Georgia, or Athens somewhere else, but Houston and Dallas. Sorry, I have my finger over the mic. So cleaning that out, not too bad. I'm going to work on this side next, and I don't know what I'm going to do in here other than just leave it alone. I'm going to look around, see if there's anything I can easily clean up without disturbing anything, and then onward and upward. I did find this cord, and this, I wasn't sure what it was, but it was in this speaker side over here, and it has one of these, you know, these old RCA type jacks here, and on the jack it says output, I think. So yeah, that's okay. That narrows it down, you know, of what it is. But yeah, I'm looking at this, and it looks like somebody jumpered the stereo, the speaker connections there, so you could route it out, put it into something else. And they didn't do this one, so I'm not sure what that's all about. Somebody put that in there, and I do suspect that my grandfather's been in here. He was kind of a handy guy with electrical stuff, and he would definitely do something like this, a little bit crazy and off kilter a little bit, but confident enough to get it done. And I'm sure it does work, but I mean, it's a stereo unit, so unless you're listening to, if you're listening to mono signal, I'm sure it works fine. But if you're listening to stereo signal, you get half the, theoretically anyway, half the sound data through it. So anyway, I think I'm going to be removing that. Okay, onward and upward, cleaning continues.